It is important to set up Apache and MySQL as a Windows service so that they will always run right after you boot your computer. Go to command prompt as an admin user, then go to C drive /xampp/apache/bin. Then run the command httpd-k install. This will install the Apache as your Windows service. Again, go to C drive /xampp/mysql/bin. Then run the command mysqld --install. This command will install MySQL as your Windows service. Now onwards, when your computer boots, the services are readily available. Please note that we have not defined any configurations and paths. The setup will take the default values in httpd.conf and my.ini configuration files. We will edit the values in these files in a different video. But for now, you are done setting up Windows services.